Hi friends, welcome to Competitive Exams platform. In this video we will be discussing Model 2 and Model 3 of percentages. Let us see how the questions will be framed on these models. First, going into Model 2, see the terminology friends, that is rest, remains, balance, left. So these words will be generally used in this type of questions. Let us see a question friends. Here the question given as a man spent 40% of income on food items, 20% in rent, 25% in charity. If he is left with 60,000 rupees, find his income. See here friends, he said that from his income 40% he spent on food items friends, right, and 20% on rent and 25% on charity. And now after all these he is left with 60,000 rupees, right? Now he is asking to find the income. See friends, if income is 100%, then only it happens friends. From this 100% I spent 40% on food items, 20% on rent, 25% on charity, and I am left with 60,000 rupees. Now add these friends, how much you will get? 40 plus 20 is nothing but 60 plus 25, that is 85 percentage. It means how much you are left friends? You are left with 15%, right? It means if 15% is equal to 60,000, my income is 100%. How much I will get friends? 15 4s are 60, right? If 1% is equal to 4,000, 100% how much friends? 100% is nothing but 4 lakhs friends, right? This is how we are solving these type of problems friends. Once again clearly see, he is saying that 40% of his income is spent on food items, 20% on rent, 25% on charity, and he is left with 60,000. My income is always 100% friends. If 40% spent on food items, 20% spent on rent, and 25% on charity, I am left with 15% friends. That 15% is nothing but this 60,000, right? If 15% is 60,000, 100% is how much friends? 100% is equal to 4 lakhs. But this 100% is nothing but my income friends, right? Let us see another problem. Here in the question he says that a man spent 40% of his income on lodging, 20% of the remaining. See the sentence here friends, there is somewhat different. 20% of the remaining he is saying, 20% of the remaining on personal items, 25% of the rest in charity. If he is left with 7200, find his income. See friends, my income is nothing but 100%, right? In this 100%, I spent 40% on lodging, right? And he is saying that 20% of the remaining. If 40% I spent on lodging, what is the remaining friends? Remaining is 60%, right? In this 60%, I spent 20% on personal items, right? Now in the rest, how much it is left friends? If 20% is left, 20% I spent, I left with 80% friends. This is the rest. In this 80 percentage, he spent 25 percentage on the charity, right? If 25 percentage is on the charity, then what is the 75 percentage, friends? That is nothing but he is left out with, right? Now I can write as income into, in that income 60 percentage is the remaining, in that remaining 80 percentage is the rest, in that rest 75 percentage is nothing but I am left out with, that is nothing but 7200, friends, right? If you cancel this, I into 18 by 50 is equal to 7200. 18 3 is a 72. Sorry, 18 4 is a 72. It means I is equal to I is equal to 20,000, right? Once you please observe, friends, he is saying that 100% is my income. In that 40 percentage I spent on lodging and I am left out with 60 percentage, that is nothing but remaining. In this remaining 20 percentage I spent on personal items and 80% I am left out, that is nothing but rest. See, friends, you may get the doubt that, sir, here is 60 percentage, in that if I remove 20 percentage you should get 40 percentage, right? You may ask like that, but see, friends, this 60 percentage is nothing but 100 percentage for these values, friends. This remaining is always 100 percentage. This remaining is 100 percentage. In this 100 percentage I am taking that personal items as 20 percentage and my rest is 80 percentage. In this 80 percentage, 25 percentage on charity, 75 percentage on I am left out with, that is nothing but 7,200. So in my income 60 percentage is remaining, in this remaining 80 percentage is the rest, in this rest 75 percentage I am left out with, that is nothing but 7,200. So finally I will get income as 20,000, friends. In order to clear the confusion, let us see a simple example, friends. Say if I had 1000 rupees, in this 1000 rupees 40 percentage is nothing but 400 and 60 percentage is nothing but 600, right? 60 percentage is 600 and 40 percentage is 400, right? In this 60 percentage, if I say 50 percentage and 50% and 50 percentage, see, friends, in this 600 I spent 50 percentage on personal items, it means I will get 300 and I am left out with 300, that is nothing but 50 percentage, friends. It means this 600 is nothing but 100% for these values, right? So we should not take 60 percentage, friends. 60 percentage is for this value, for not this value, right? Did you clearly understand this one? Let us see another problem, friends. In this problem he is saying that a man spent 30% of his income in household, 20% in clothing. In the remaining 10% he spent to the trust 15% of the rest for traveling and left with 153 rupees. Find the total income. See friends, 100% is my income. In this 100%, 30% I spent for household and 20% for clothing. How much is remaining friends? Remaining is 50%. In this 50%, I spent 10% for trust and I am left out with 90%. That is nothing but the rest. In this rest, I spent 15% for traveling. How much I left friends? I left out, that is 85%. That 85% is nothing but 153, right? It means how I can write friends? That is I into 50%, that is 50%, that is nothing but half, into 90%, that is nothing but 9 by 10, into 85%, that is 85 by 100, is equal to 153. If I cancel, 5 17s are 85, 5 20s are 100, 17 goes 9 times friends, 17 9s are 153 and 9 gets cancelled. So my income will be 400. Right? Let us see another problem friends. In this problem, he has given that the salary of Anil is how much if he spent 60% of his salary on household, 20% of the remaining on personal items and 20% of the rest is savings. Find the total income of Anil if his savings is equal to 640 rupees. See friends, savings is equal to 640 rupees he has given. Let us assume that salary of Anil is equal to 100 rupees. Right? Salary of Anil is equal to 100 rupees. In this 100 rupees, 60% is spent on household. 60% means how much friends? 60 rupees, right? 60 rupees on household and 20% of the remaining. How much it is remaining friends? Remaining is 40 rupees, right? In this 20% of 40, how much friends? 20% of 40 is nothing but 8 rupees, right? 20% of 40 is 8 rupees spent on personal things. How much he is left out with? He is left out with 32 rupees friends. In this, that is nothing but this one is rest and this one is remaining. In this rest, 20% is savings friends. 20% of 32, that is nothing but 6.4 rupees friends. And 80% is he is left out, right? 80% is 80% of 32. It is nothing but 32 minus 6.4, right? These are the savings friends, and we know that savings is equal to 640 rupees. See friends, my assumed salary is 100 rupees. If my assumed salary is 100 rupees, then my savings are 6.4 rupees, right? If my assumed salary is 100 rupees, then my savings are 6.4 rupees. For 640 rupees savings, how much will be my salary friends? Right? My salary will be how much friends? 10,000. Right? So this is how we are going to calculate in somewhat different way. So my virtual income or salary will be 10,000 rupees. For 100 rupees my savings is 6.4 rupees. For 10,000 rupees my savings will be 640 rupees. Right? Now let us see model 3, friends. In this model 3 we will be asked to find out the value x years ago or x years before or x years starting by giving a certain value, or he will be asking to find out that value x years after or x years hence by giving a particular value. See friends, let us do a problem on the basis of this model. He has given that the number of employees of a company is 900 at present. If every 10% members increased, find the number of employees 2 years hence. See friends, if every year, this one is every year, if every year 10% members increased, find the number of employees 2 years hence. Friends, at present my number of employees are 900, right? First year 10% members increased, and second year again 10% members increased. So I will get my final value. He is asking my number of employees after increasing 10% every year. So my number of employees 2 years hence, how much he is asking. First year I increased 10% members means how much I will get, friends? 10% of 900 is nothing but 90. It means after increasing 10%, so my answer will be 900 plus 90, that is nothing but 990. If I increase again 10% of 990, 10% of 990 is nothing but 99, friends. So my answer will be 990 plus 99, right? It means my final answer will be 1089. So my final number of employees will be 1089 after 2 years. Or else you can do in this way, that is 900 into first year I increase 10%, means my value will be 110%, right? And second year I increased again 10%, it means 110% of this value. So how much my answer will be, friends? I cancel this one and I also cancel this one. So 99 into 11, you will get so your answer will be 1089. Let us see another problem, friends, in a different way. He has given that number of employees is equal to 1210, saying that every year 10% get increased. Find the number of employees 2 years ago. See friends, if I say that my number of employees are X 2 years ago, right? 2 years ago my number of employees are X. On this X, 10% increased first year, right? And 10% increased second year, right? Then my number of employees became 1210, isn't it or not? Number of employees at present is 1210. 2 years ago is X. On that X, 10% increased every year for 2 years. Then my number of employees became 1210, right? We have to find 2 years ago how many number of employees are there. Simple, friends. By cancelling this, 11 goes, 11 11s are 121. So 121 into 10 is nothing but 1210. So my number of employees will be 1000, right? Let us see another problem, friends. In this problem he has given that number of employees is equal to 900. Every year 10% decreased. After 2 years number of employees is equal to how much? See friends, my number of employees are 900, right? 10% decreased every year for 2 years. See friends, first year 10% decreased, it means 90% of 900, and second year 10% decreased, that means 90% of 900, right? Then how much is my value after 2 years? So he is asking this value, friends. Once again see clearly, 10% decreased, it means 90% of 900, and again 10% decreased, it means 90% of 900. I will get the value 2 years after, right? Let us cancel, friends. If you cancel, you will get 9 cube. 9 cube is nothing but 729. So your number of employees will be 729, right? Let us see another problem, friends. He has given that number of employees is equal to 5120. Every year 20% is decrease, and 3 years ago number of employees is equal to how much? See friends, 3 years ago my number of employees are X, right? First year 20% is decreased, it means 80 by 100, and second year 20% is decreased, 80 by 100, and third year 20% is decreased, 80 by 100. Then my value will be 5120, right? Let us cancel, friends. So you will get x into 8 cube, that is nothing but 512 divided by 1000 is equal to 5120. So 512 goes 10 times, so your value will be x is equal to 10,000, right friends? Once again clearly see again. See, x is nothing but my number of employees 3 years ago. On that 80% is decreased every year for 3 years. Then my present number of employees will be 5120, right? By cancelling this we will get my number of employees, that is 3 years ago, it will be 10,000, right? Let us see other different models in next part, friends. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon such that you will get the notifications of my video whenever I post it. Thank you, friends.